I just got home from a run and I got something in the mail. Don't know what it is, but it looks nice. Has a little golden plus on it, whatever that means. Let's open it up. Thought it might be this. Looks to me like an M1 Finance Owner's Reward card. Maybe not. Whoa. Whoa, I didn't even see that. Did you see that? Sorry, that's just really satisfying. Maybe, wow. Maybe I'm a child for thinking this is cool, but I think it's cool. Hello. Earn up to 10% cash back at the brands you love and whose stock you own. With the credit card for investors, you can invest when you spend and build your wealth every day. M1, yours to build. I've never had anything like this. That's why I'm a child with it, and I think it's really fun to open and close. Okay, let's take it out of the wrapper. Oh, it is metal, as promised. Scan code to activate your card. Gotta go get my phone. Okay, there's no card numbers on the front. I can show you the front. Listen to this. That doesn't sound like metal. Hold on. Be right back. I would actually show you the numbers on the back if I could, because they're arranged in this like vertical orientation, and it looks very nice, but I'm not gonna show you the numbers. Sorry. Oh, here, I'll put it down on the table. Listen to this. That didn't sound like metal at all. Yeah, it sounds like plastic. It's metal. All right, let's scan that code. Once more, we can open this little bad boy. Scan the QR code. Scan me, baby, one more time. It says enter card number. Your card has been activated. Oh my goodness. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oops, I put it on checking instead of credit. Wow. Rewards, no rewards yet. You own all the stocks that are part of the owner's reward program. Well, there it is, boys and girls. In the flesh. I actually like the backside more. Here, let me cover some stuff up to show you the backside. It's got like an almost matte black finish that I think is cool. And the front side's cool too. It just kind of switches between this very slick glossy finish and then this sort of semi-gloss that looks like it has a texture to it, but it really doesn't have any texture at all. If somehow you didn't see my other 2 videos about this card, the allure of the M1 Finance Owner's Reward card, just off the cuff, is that you invest in certain companies' stock through M1 Finance, which is an investing platform. And then if you buy that same company's stuff, you get way bigger rewards than with the normal card, like between 2.5% and 10% rewards with this particular card. And so it's a big incentive to use it. Now, as people have pointed out later on, after I've already made the first couple of videos, you're limited to $200 a month in rewards. So even if you buy a Tesla, sadly, you don't get 10% off. You don't save like $7,000 on the Tesla because you got 10% off. It's capped at $200 a month. So you could do the math depending on the company that you're shopping with. I mean, even at the max reward level of 10% back, you'd have to be spending $2,000 a month to come close to maxing that out. So maybe you do, in which case that'd be awesome and that's still good rewards, but it's not quite as sweet as I wished it was. Anyway, that's the card. I'm excited to use it. Need something else metal to clang this against. Clangety clangs. How about a wreath hanger? Presenting the M1 Finance Owner's Reward card. If you didn't see my first 2 videos about this, check them out because I'll put them here and here. One is about the pie that you have to have or the investments you have to get those max rewards, because with M1, you have to be invested in those companies. The other one is a general introduction where I get really into the weeds of the card, get into all the details, show you everything that's involved here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm gonna start using this card now. I'm excited. I need to go back and watch my own video and see which companies are actually involved here and see which ones I can spend money with. I think Costco could be one. Target could be one. Oh, it's on now. Let's check out the rewards. All right, for realsies this time. Bye.